Meet James, a software developer, and Laura, a freelance writer. Both spend extensive hours in front of their computers, leading to a forward head posture that contributes to the visible prominence on the back of the neck. In our increasingly digital world, a new health concern is emerging. I am Dr. Rory Dopps, and my mission is to inform you of tech neck. This condition, characterized by the protrusion of the vertebral prominence, VP, is often a sign of a reversal of the neck's natural curve, influenced by poor posture and excessive use of technology. The novelty of chiropractic care in addressing tech neck lies in its multifaceted approach. It combines spinal adjustments with lifestyle modifications and ergonomic advice, aiming to restore the natural curvature of the neck and alleviate the stress on the spinal cord. Chiropractic care provides an effective countermeasure, offering a path to better posture and spinal health, aligned with holistic health principles. Combat the effects of tech neck and embrace a healthier posture with chiropractic care. Visit doppskc.com to learn how chiropractic solutions can support your journey to better spinal health and overall well-being.